Hey, what's up everyone? JD the camera guy back with another video. Got something super cool for you guys. I'm going to be filming a POV / behind the scenes of me making one of my viral TikTok videos. I'm out here, Gooseberry Falls, Minnesota. Beautiful spot. Behind me, as you can see right over here, really cool waterfall. So I'm going to be taking a picture of that using some long exposure mode on the iPhone, showing you guys exactly how I do that. Without further ado, I'm just gonna hop right into it. We are right over by the waterfall. We got a beautiful scene here. With that being said, let's try to film a viral TikTok video. Now I've got a really cool subject up there. So while he's sitting up there, he's a little bit out of my sight range. So I'm gonna disregard him up there. He got out of my sight range. I was gonna say that'd be a really cool shot, but instead, I'm gonna settle with this angle right here. First thing I did was I made sure I'm screen recording. And then I'm gonna look at the different angles here. I really like a 0.5 zoom, so I'm gonna start out with that. And then what I'm gonna do here is, I'm just gonna snap away. I'm gonna take my picture. I'm gonna say, hey, stop taking your pictures like that. Take it like this instead. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna click on the top here. I'm gonna go over to a 16:9. So that way I get a fuller image. I'm gonna click on a 0.5 zoom. And then I'm just gonna lower my shot down, line it up with the grid, and then I'm just gonna snap away. After I've taken that picture there, I'm gonna tap on the image, see what I've got. I like what I'm looking with here, but you know what? I'm gonna take another one just in case, just to get one more picture because I wanna get a different angle here. So I'm gonna re-record it. Basically do the same thing again here. And I just need to restart all my settings back from the beginning. I'm actually gonna exit out of my camera app real quick. Make sure I'm recording, which I am. So I'm gonna do my first shot. So don't take it like that, take it like this instead. First, you're gonna go over to 16:9, then you're gonna drop that back down. You go to a 0.5 zoom, and then you're just gonna get lower and lower, and then you're gonna angle your camera. As soon as you have your shot ready, you're just gonna snap away. Once you have your picture taken, you got the angle you want, just gonna swipe up, and then you're gonna click over on that long exposure, end up with a really cool effect there. Now, with that being said, we just went through the whole process, creating a viral TikTok video, creating the actual video. I'm gonna hop out here, go over to the section of me doing the audio for this TikTok video. All right, what's up everyone? JD the camera guy. We're back at the YouTube studio. Another thing I forgot to mention while I was out in the field is I wanted to go over my editing too. It's a pretty simple process. I mean, all I do is apply a preset, but I still wanted to go over that as well. So as you can see here, I've got it pulled up here in Adobe Lightroom on my phone here. First thing I'm gonna do is, I have it nice set up, super easy. I just go to the presets tab. Then what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going down to my preset pack. And then from preset pack, I'm just gonna work down there. And I already had this one selected as well, so I already kind of knew. But here's the thing is, I kind of wanted to make it for this video. So I'm choosing the Clear Ocean Collection 4 there. That way I like how that looks. And then I'm just gonna touch on the exposure a little bit there. Change how the blacks and highlights react to everything. Just doing some nice little edits there. Nothing too crazy or extreme in accordance to the preset there. And then I've got it exactly how I want it. So now I'm just gonna export that to my camera roll. If you guys are interested in picking up any of my presets, definitely make sure to check the link in the bio. I've got a link to that. Right now we got a sale going on, 50% off all the presets. But for now, that'll be all for the editing portion. Now let's flip over and work on some of the audio and editing right in TikTok. Alrighty here everyone, so now comes the audio recording process. Is super easy. First thing I do is I got TikTok opened up here, and then after I've got TikTok opened up, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click to start a new video. Then I'm gonna be going into my uploads here, and then I gotta look through some of these because I don't remember exactly which one it is, but I gotta find it here. It doesn't usually take me too long to find it because I can usually relatively tell just based off of kind of how it looks, how the start of the video is. So I just need to go through some of these real quickly here to figure out exactly which one it was. Which it may look like I might have just found it here. Give me a second. Actually, I know it's going to be an easier way here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my photo mode here, or my photos. And then, yep, all right, perfect. All right, cool. So what I did there was basically just open up my photos, found that picture that I edited, the one that I want to use there. And then after that, all I did was I just went to the next video because I know that's the screen recording. And it is that one, so I'm going to click on that one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the original photo and then the edited photo, because in these videos I do show off my presets using some of those presets, and just to give a little bit of a visual of how different your photo looks just by applying a preset. Now obviously in your photo it doesn't look the same, but when people view your pictures and stuff like that, 9 times out of 10 they couldn't even imagine what it would look like without the preset. And that's just going to make your photo just look so much more dramatic. So in my opinion, and a lot of other people's opinion, makes pictures look so much better. Now being that we have this all imported, we're just going to edit it here. And then we're going to clip to the part that we know that we want to keep in. Let's see here, I'm just going through it all. All right, I know exactly which part I want to keep here. So we want to go right a little bit before we take that first initial picture. So we're gonna go about right there. We got that picture there. And then at the end here, we know we have that long exposure setting that we wanna have set. So we're just gonna go a little bit after that. Ends up being about 29 seconds there. Then what I do is, for this second part here, I'm gonna be making this 4 seconds long. Alrighty, so I got that there, 4 seconds long. We're gonna make the second one 4 seconds long as well too. All right, perfect. Got that all set up. This whole clip is all set up, all ready to go to make the clip, put our sound on it, and then we're gonna put our text on it as well there too. So I'm just gonna click on the next, then I'm gonna go to voiceover here, and that's where I'm gonna start doing this. So immediately, I'm just gonna have it go right from the start here, and then I'm just gonna hop into audio right now. 1 second here. Actually, before I hop in, I gotta kind of think a little bit on what I want to say here. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this as like a nature photo style, like wanna take cool nature pictures, or stop taking your nature pictures like this or something like that. I think it's gonna be wanna take a cool picture of a waterfall. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Want to take a cool picture of a waterfall? Don't do it like this. Oh, I need to restart because that's a little bit long. Want to take a picture of a waterfall? Don't do it like this. Do it like this instead. And then I'm going to pause there. Makes it super easy for me to, take a second to think of exactly what I'm going to say next. And then also I can look a little bit at the screen of what I'm about to do even on my screen recording, so that way I can be like, oh, here's what I was doing there. First thing you're going to want to do is click on the arrow on the top. Then you're going to want to go to 16:9, put your camera on 0.5 zoom. Then you're going to want to make sure to take a picture from a lower angle and then line it up with the grid. This is going to allow your photo to have the best landscape. Take a picture. Then you're going to go into your camera roll. You're going to want to select on that picture, swipe up, click on long exposure. You should have something like this. Alrighty, so I just did the full front end of that. Then at the end of it, I just have to say, apply a preset from the link in my bio. It should look something like this. And then end it with a nice call to action. I've been doing a lot of like and follow for more, like and follow on Instagram for more. One that I'm gonna be testing out soon, and actually, you know what? We'll just do it on this video. We're gonna test it out right now. It's going to be a, let's see, like and share for more. Because I think I'm gonna just change that up a little bit and see how it performs. Apply a preset. Nope, 1 second, I gotta redo that. Apply a preset for my bio. It should look like this. Like and share for more. And really, when it comes down to it, that's exactly how simple it is. Now, one second here. So now that the audio is playing, I'm just gonna go over it. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop into sounds. And then what I like to do is I like to pick a lo-fi sound, or I like to pick a something that's like almost like an instrumental or just the beat. Because essentially what that does is it really allows your vocals to like blend in with the beat, and people just absolutely love that. So I'm gonna go with lo-fi. This is my most popular one. I've done this on so many videos, but I love this sound. And then the mix of my voice with that beat just works so well together. Alrighty, so now that we have the audio done, and I'm actually gonna turn that down just to make things a little bit easier right now while I'm talking to the camera here. Now that I have the audio all set up, everything's already there. All I gotta do here now is just put in a little bit of text here. Basically, I'm just doing text, adding captions for what I'm saying in the video. Sometimes I'll kind of abbreviate what exactly the captions are. So, being that, I'm gonna turn my volume up here so that way I can hear it. And let's see here. Want to take a picture of a waterfall. So yeah, I just make it really easy for people to engage with the content. And especially like with iPhones, a really cool thing about them when you screen record your camera is that there's just a perfect space for you to put in some text that makes for really, really good makes for a, I'm trying to think of the word here. It makes for a really good video just because of that there's a spot there that's perfect for you to put your captions that doesn't get in the way too much of the video. Want to take a picture of a waterfall? Don't do it like this. Don't do it like. And some people sometimes wonder why I do that, why I put the text on there. It's actually for other purposes on like Facebook and Instagram, because with Facebook and Instagram, I can end up using these actually as advertisements. I can, put this as a video ad and then target like engagement audiences and stuff like that, which post with captions. Not everyone on Facebook and Instagram uses audio right away. So it's really good to have that, because then I can, people can watch the videos without having to have their sound on, and then obviously they're able to check that out. So I'm gonna go through here quickly. I'm gonna get all this text in here, get all this edited. Alrighty everyone, we just got the video done, all edited, text is all on it, everything's on there. Here's a video showing what it looks like, showing the whole video itself. Want to take a picture of a waterfall? Don't do it like this, do it like this instead. First thing you're gonna want to do is click on the arrow on the top. Then you're going to want to go to 16:9, put your camera on 0.5 zoom. Then you're going to want to make sure to take a picture from a lower angle and then line it up with the grid. This is going to allow your photo to have the best landscape. Take a picture, then you're going to go into your camera roll. You're going to want to select on that picture, swipe up, click on long exposure. You should have something like this. Apply a preset for my bio. It should look like this. Like and share for more. So now that that's done, now that I have the video all done up, it's all recorded, all that fun jazz. Now I'm gonna go into TikTok. I'm gonna go over the whole description, all that stuff, make it really easy, and then we're gonna post it. And then after I post it, what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, I'm gonna be checking out some of the results. So I'll be going over some of that tomorrow as well. Alrighty, here. So now that we got it opened up on the phone here, we got it on TikTok, it's all ready to post here. I'm gonna put in something easy. I'm just gonna put waterfall photography, if I can spell. Waterfall. We're gonna do waterfall photography trick. Just because that's just nice and easy. I don't need to make it anything too crazy. Now in my notes here, I have my TikTok tags, like I have it all set up to make it nice and easy. If you are someone who definitely uses TikTok, I recommend using hashtags regarding your niche. A lot of my stuff involves iPhones, photography tricks, phone hacks, stuff along those lines, so I've got that. Now I have everything set up exactly how I want it, so I'm just gonna click post, and then I'm just gonna wait for it to post. Now what we're gonna be doing is in 24 hours from now, right now it is 6:05, so at 6:05 tomorrow, what I'm gonna be doing is I'll be going in, checking out, seeing how exactly that does. So without further ado, we're gonna hop to that right now. What is up, everyone? We are back, it's the next day. Going over some of the results from that video, and looking at the video, it didn't quite perform as well as I'd hoped. Right now it's got about 20,000 views. I just took a little screenshot of that. Nothing too insane, not quite what I was hoping for. I was hoping it was gonna have about 100,000, but one of my other videos from earlier today doing a little bit better. It's got about 40,000 views, and then I just posted one a little bit ago. So in that, there are a couple takeaways from this. Not every single video is gonna go viral. Not every video is gonna pop off. They'll do decent, you know, they'll get a little bit going. On Instagram, it didn't do too bad. It ended up doing about 150K on Instagram, somewhere around there. But on TikTok, didn't perform quite as well as I want to. But that doesn't mean we're gonna stop trying, obviously, and I'll probably be putting more of these videos out. Hopefully, I can do one and make a video on a video that does go super viral, something that gets hundreds of thousands of views, even possibly hits the milli range. And I think a really good lesson when it comes to this overall, in even something you could take away with your own content, is not every video is going to go viral. Don't expect every video to go viral. Just because a video doesn't go viral doesn't mean you should be putting yourself in a pity party, doesn't mean you should be down on yourself, down on your work, anything along those lines. Just keep trying, keep putting out content. And with that, that's been all for this video. I appreciate everyone for watching, checking out this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you thought of the video. If you want to see me try doing this again, maybe with a different style, something along those lines, let me know. Any sort of video ideas, comment those down below. If you haven't already done so, subscribe. Definitely have a lot more content coming up very soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.